Hello class, welcome to week 3 of the English 110 semester. For this week, we're really beginning to prep for our first major paper, all right, which we're going to start on next week. So don't worry too much about that this week. We'll go over our first major paper next week with tons of support, video, places for you to submit drafts, the whole shebang. So this week is really about building a solid base to prepare you to write the paper next week. Okay, so what then do we need to complete this week? All right, so here are our readings for this week. The most important reading is How Doctors Die by Ken Murray. This is the essay on which you will write your paper. So it's very important to read this essay and make sure that you understand it front to back. Okay, it's not particularly long, but it's important that you really dive into it and pay special attention. When you read How Doctors Die by Ken Murray, make sure that you're looking for his main idea and then how he supports that main idea by using details and examples. The second selection of readings that you see here are all beginning to help you begin prepping to understand how to write your paper. So, if we continue, here's a video in PowerPoint that walks you through some of the essential points of Ken Murray's essay. It will not replace the reading of the essay, but after you've read the essay, you can watch this video, watch this PowerPoint, but make sure you read the essay first. All right, you're going to want to read that essay a couple of times. Next, we have planning and outlining to help you plan for success to write our first paper, which we're going to start next week. We're not doing any writing of the first paper this week. That's going to be our goal for next week. Right? So, after you've read How Doctors Die, you can now complete writing quiz number 2 and discussion board number 3, both of which deal with Ken Murray's essay, helping you demonstrate your understanding of the essay to me. So, just to reiterate really briefly, all right, main thing, make sure you read Ken Murray's How Doctors Die, linked right here. After you do that, you can watch the videos, start to begin thinking about his essay, paying special attention to the main ideas and how he supports them. Then, after making sure you fully understand the essay, you're able to complete writing quiz 2 and discussion board number 3. Right? That's it for this week, and I look forward to reading your work.